everyone, here with an unboxing on the Glowforge Aura. So I literally just purchased this like 20 or 30 minutes ago. So I purchased it from Joann's, but they sell it at Michael's as well. A lot of the sales representatives were saying that they only have one in each store, so I purchased the one that was in the store closest to me. So basically they're gonna be putting out a display without even having a machine, now that I think about it. But sorry to anybody who shops in my area, because I bought the only one that was there. But I'm just gonna be doing an unboxing to show you guys what's in the box, what it comes with. If you don't know what a Glowforge is, it's basically just like a laser cutter. This one says that it laser cuts, engraves, and score, and this is just kind of like the hobbyist crafter one. There are much bigger ones and much more expensive ones, but this one is the crafter and hobbyist ones for a fraction of the price. So I'm super excited to unbox this and show you guys. So let's jump in and open up this box. Glowforge, open with care. Your item can't be returned to the store once this seal is broken. Let's do it. Oh well. Oops. Say no. Alright, so it has like all these strap looking things in the inside. So this paper says to set up your Glowforge Aura, go to setupglowforge.com. So I have to set it up. And the machine is right here at the top. Looking so pretty. So I heard that it has like this orange tint so that you don't have to wear glasses with it. I heard the other Glowforges, like you gotta wear glasses when you're using them. And it looks like all of the stuff basically for the machine is in the inside right here. So this is like the air duct vent. Ooh. So it's in this plastic. And the power cord was inside of the air duct vent. So right here is the laser, and it looks like it's kind of like attached to the machine. So I'm not going to pull this completely out, but here's the laser inside of this box. And then it just has some cardboard around it. Pretty much that's all it looks like comes into the box. So I'll move you guys a little bit closer. And this is the laser that I was referring to. So I'm gonna try to pull this. Yeah, there's nothing else in this box. Just this laser, and I don't want to really pull this out right now. It's attached to the back of this. And then there's some more styrofoam just covering other pieces of the machine. I'm gonna pull this out the box to actually see if there's any more pieces to it or if this was just it. So that was all of the equipment that it came with. Oh wait, I'm lying. It came with something else at the bottom of the box. Ooh, so it came with some of the light base plywood to test out. I seen this in the store, so you could buy extra pieces and different types of wood. And then it came with this little thing at the bottom. I don't know the correct name for it. It looked like a grill pan a little bit. But I know it does go at the bottom of the machine when you're laser cutting. Now I can officially say that was everything that was in the box. So guys, basically very simple. Came with these few pieces. And it's really lightweight. I was able to lift this up on my own. If you have a Cricut, it's probably like no heavier than your Cricut, kind of, sort of. Not really heavy. You can lift it around. You don't really need nobody to help you with this. And that was it. This was unboxing the Glowforge Aura. Guys, stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to be posting me making my first project and setting it up, and other different little projects that I'm going to be doing. If you have a Glowforge, please leave some projects that I can do down below in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.